वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि हाल भरिया होया ਸਰੋਤੇਗਣਾਂ ਨਾਲ। ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਭਿਜੀਤ ਪਾਠਕ ਜੀ, ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਮਹਿਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਦਵਿੰਦਰ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਜੀ, ਐਂਡ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਦੀਪਤੀ ਜੀ, ਸ਼ੀਲਾ ਜੀ, all are people who are really awakened about the problems of our country, problems of the education, problem of the farming. So these are so many problems in our country, and all of them are so egoless people. They have got dedication, devotion, determination to change the world in a better form. The main aim of today's function is not just the releasing the books only. Actually, I wanted that there should be such a platform where good people should gather together and they should discuss all the problems. Problem is that good people are in different areas doing their work in a very good manner, but singularly, I don't think they can change the society. So there is a need that good people should join each other, should work out some program, because founder of our institution was not only worried about the people who are suffering from different diseases. That's the main thing, that he believed in equality. There's no big, no low, so everybody is equal. So he learned all the things from the Guru Granth Sahib. Egoless being, there should be no humility. Humility is the only test of the seva, because he begged from door to door for these patients, and he was working for environment. He was working for social problems. So for that he needed funds, and he used to go to door for begging in a very humble shape, like a fakir, like a beggar, and he was humiliated by the people. And he told me that this is the only test of a social worker. So where there is an ego, one cannot do that much work for society. It may be religious leader, it may be political leader, it may be social worker. So we have learnt from Gurbani, as Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, नीचा अंदर नीच जात नीची हूँ अत नीच, नानक तिन के संग साथ वड्या सो का रीस, जिथे नीच संभालियन तिथे नदर तेरी बख्शीश. Guru Nanak says, I am low and the lowest, I am lowest among the lowest people. I have no comparison with the big people. So to be humble is a great thing. Become egoless. He didn't himself minus. And Guru Nanak says, where their lowest people are being cared, there the blessings of the God reign. So this is the insignia of Pingalwada, jithe need Somalian, tithe nadar teri bakshish. Lowest mean maybe because of caste, because of religion, because of their duty, work. And Guru Nanak believed in hard work. Earning should be with the hard work. And then we should distribute it among the people. and remember God. Punjabi जैसे कहना है किरत करो नाम जपो वंड छको. This is the basic, and Guru Nanak stayed in a carpenter's house who was very poor for many days, and there was a rich man, Malk Pabhu. He invited, and Guru Nanak refused to go there. But we people, we are so much, we need comforts everywhere, materialistic comfort. I asked a very intelligent man that if you go to somewhere, where will you stay? Will you stay with Malk Pabhu or Pai Lalo? He says कि झूठ क्यों बोलना? Why should tell a lie? We like to stay with Malk Pabhu because there we will have comforts. Dr. Abhijit Pathak, he has written so many articles on education, which is prevailing these days. Competition, competition, competition. When we were studying, there was no such competition. Only the result of our exams was only necessary for the admission in further courses. Now it has become a business. In the schools, people are not sincere. The teachers are not sincere, mostly. And we don't believe in work culture, which Guru Nanak has advised us. Yesterday on Facebook, I was reading TN Sessions saying, I think many people have read that the TN Session was said to a child to destroy this nest. I will give you rupees 10 and you destroy this nest. Child says, no, I won't do it. I will give you more rupees. I will give you 50 rupees to destroy this nest. He said, no, you may give any amount, I will not destroy. And why so? Because there are small siblings in this nest. Mother will come in the evening with the feed and she will cry, those siblings over there. There's no nest. The TN Session felt that this child who is not educated has more wisdom than me, who myself I feel that I am very much educated. So if education doesn't teach us compassion, there is no idea of such education. So many children, as I have read in his articles, in this competitive world, many children have committed suicide in Rajasthan. So I think we should change this education. And I was so much impressed by the articles of Abhijit Pathak ji, and I had a keen desire to see him. And this is the only excuse, releasing of the books is just an excuse. So I'm watching you since night. This Pingarapura changes the people. Because here, what Gurbani teaches us, we practice it. This is not, we don't believe in rituals at all, maybe of any religion, but we respect every religion which teaches us to be good persons. So, secondly, the other problems, second book, which he has written articles of certain articles about the social problems, about the democracy. You will read all these books and you will really enjoy, and perhaps some persons among you will be more awakened, and you will do work for this country, for the depressed people, for the people who are being ignored by the society. They are equal to us. Equality, as I have written forward, that when I was very young, I was thinking there should be such place in this planet, heaven-like place, where there is no ego, there is no hatred, everybody should be equal, everybody should love each other. this heaven-like place should be there in this world. I didn't find anywhere, but it is there in Pingalwada. Here there is equality. Here we love each other. The special children of Pingalwada who was thrown on the roads or on the Gurdwara unattended, Pingalwada picks them up, brings them up, and to the level that they have participated in Special Olympics and won the prizes. Here, and teachers of special school tell me that children suffering from mental illness who come from their homes, they are not social because people feel that they are stigma, and so they do not bring the children to the forward for to meet the person, to the meet the guests. But we bring these children, come on, see, just people have come to see you. So they are so social, so better placed in the world than the children who are being brought up in their houses who are suffering from mental retardedness. So this is achievement of Pingalwada, and we learn from Guru Granth Sahib, as you have listened this Shabad, that reading and writing are, that is just a profession now. It doesn't remove any faults, and there are 5 things in every religion: काम, क्रोध, लोभ, अहंकार. ये साढ़े चो दूर नहीं कर सकते. जे एजुकेशन साढ़े चो बुराइयां दूर नहीं कर सकते तो उस एजुकेशन का कोई फायदा नहीं. तो इस करके Pingalwada, I feel Pingalwada is an example for whole India and special for world. Telling equality, no ego, working for the people, working for the country, patriotism in a real sense. So I just want to tell you how patriot was Bhagat Pooran Singh. Once I was traveling with him, and he used to pick stones from the road, and people like me who accompanied him, naturally we were also picking up stones from the road. I picked up stone from the road and put it on one side where there was grass. He told me, "What are you doing? You have spoiled that grass." So he was worried about the blade of grass of our country. This is patriotism. When he used to visit any dignitary, deputy commissioner, chief minister, all dignitaries, he used to go to on the switchboard and switch the lights off. Remove the curtains. There is a light outside. This electricity is needed for the farming. Why are you wasting it over here? So in Pingalwada, we don't have any AC. We want to live natural living. We don't spend on ourselves. We spend on our brothers and sisters who are more needy than us, and we want that there should be change in the society. We made a film also on Bhagat Pooran Singh, Ye Jan Tumhare Lekhe, depicting the people, what should we do for our country and how we should do something for our country. What should be our contribution? So those enlightened people are here, and Pingalwada is providing a stage for these people to discuss the problems of the country, and we should make this India heaven in the world. So I again welcome all of you who are over here. Everybody for me is a dignitary because they have to spread this message to whole world. Thank you so much.